What's up?
Bas, nothing much. You tell me.
Good, good. Come have a seat.
Thank you.
कुछ पियोगी?
No, I'm done. By the way, I've just been thinking about the surprise. What's the surprise?
Surprise चाहिए?
Of course.
Come, let me show you around.
Abhishek, where are you taking me?
You gotta trust me.
Of course I do, but I'm telling you the surprise better be worth it.
It's definitely worth it. Yeah. So, are you ready?
Of course, I'm excited.
Okay. So here I present to you the all-new Verito Vibe.
Nice car, Abhishek. Wow. किसकी गाड़ी है अभिषेक? What? Are you trying to tell me that this is your car?
It's our car.
It's awesome, Abhishek. I mean, I can't believe we finally have our own car.
You know what, Priya?
Yeah.
मुझे Verito Vibe की स्टाइलिंग के बारे में सबसे अच्छा पता है क्या लगता है?
क्या?
It has a youthfulness of a sedan and also has some very interesting sporty features of an SUV. It has a smart crossover stance and that is why I say it's a sporty, compact sedan.
Totally.
Come, let me show you its design features.
Yes, come.
Look at this carbon finish front grille.
Wow.
Doesn't it look very sporty?
It does, huh? Gives the car a very sporty appearance.
Yeah.
And Abhishek, these lights, huh? They're so attractive.
Yeah, attractive तो है भी. साथ में powerful भी हैं. You know why?
Why?
Because ये smoke glass headlamps हैं.
Oh.
Yeah. And you know, Priya,
Huh?
तुमने ये champagne color alloy wheels देखे?
Oh, wow, they're cool, huh?
Doesn't it look like a honeycomb design?
They do. In fact, I think ये बाकी cars में नहीं मिलते, right?
मिलते हैं, but only in premium cars.
Premium, huh?
Yeah.
And Abhishek, मुझे एक और चीज़ जो बहुत अच्छी लगी ना, ये जो बड़े wheel arches हैं ना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा imposing है. They're very, you know, eye-catching. They grab your attention immediately.
I think you're right. And you know what, Priya?
Yeah?
Verito Vibe की side molding भी
हाँ.
body colored है. Just like you get in premium cars.
Nice, yeah. और अभिषेक, इन्हें शायद ski racks कहते हैं, right?
Yeah, ski racks.
Wow, yeah, very sporty, giving the car a very SUV-ish look, huh? Really nice.
Ski rack का एक और अच्छा feature बताऊँ आपको?
Uh-huh.
You see them merging with the tail lamps?
Oh, yeah.
It gives the car a total aerodynamic look.
They're really nice, yeah. Very stylish.
Yeah.
Like it.
Or you know, Priya? Look at the rear design of the car. I think it's very sporty and nice.
It is, yeah. It's very nice and stylish.
Let me show you the most stylish feature of the car. Verito Vibe,
हाँ.
stylish LED tail lamps.
Wow.
और you know what? इसका असली जलवा ना रात को ही मालूम होता है.
Really?
Yeah. These are the LEDs. Aren't they
Nice.
very beautiful?
Yeah, they are. Very premium.
और एक और बात, Verito Vibe अपनी क्लास में ना
हाँ.
सिर्फ एक लौती गाड़ी है जिसमें LED tail lamps है.
Wow, very premium, huh?
Yeah. Come Priya, come this side.
Huh?
Look at this chrome applique.
Hey, nice, stylish and sporty design, huh? In fact, Abhishek, तुम्हें इसका डिजाइन जो है एयरक्राफ्ट की विंग की तरह नहीं लग रहा है?
बिल्कुल सही बात है. And look at the rear bumper. It has a dual tone finish.
Oh yes, looks really nice, yeah.
Look at this. Look at this muffler cutter.
Oh wow, बहुत SUV शो बहुत sporty feeling नहीं दे रहा है?
Absolutely.
Very nice, yeah.
And you know what, Priya? अगर Verito Vibe की styling के बारे में बात करें ना,
हाँ.
it has a young and sporty crossover-like stance, which gives the benefit of a sedan
हाँ.
and a spirit of an SUV.
Okay, Abhishek, I'm really getting excited to sit in the car. चलो अंदर बैठते हैं.
हाँ बैठेंगे, पर पहले second row में बैठोगे आप.
Second row में क्यों?
बैठो तो. Come,
ठीक है, but I hope तुम्हारी पिछली रो में sufficient leg room हो.
come.
Yeah. Nice.
You like it?
Of course, I love it. It's beautiful, yeah. And Abhishek, it's so spacious. Wow.
See the leg room? Isn't it very comfortable?
It is, yeah. Considering for tall people like us, it's very comfortable.
And you know what? ये अपनी क्लास की सभी गाड़ियों के मुकाबले
हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. Let me show you something else. Wait. Hey buddy, what's up?
Hey,
How are you? Come inside, man.
I'm good.
Yeah, come, sit. Hey, hello.
Hi.
New car, huh?
Yeah,
Very good. Really spacious, huh?
thank you.
Must say.
You know what? इसका लेग रूम ही नहीं बल्कि इसका हेड रूम और शोल्डर रूम भी बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशियस है.
हाँ, pretty
काफी
comfortable.
कंफर्टेबल है.
Yeah, and see the inner space. ये बाकी कार के मुकाबले भी बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशियस है. What say?
Seriously, Abhishek, I'm not at all feeling cramped. In fact, मैंने ऐसी कोई भी कॉम्पैक्ट सेडान नहीं देखी जिसमें इतना ज़्यादा स्पेस और इतना लेग रूम हो. इनफैक्ट मुझे ना ये पॉइंट अपने डैड को बताना चाहिए. After all, he's planning to buy a compact sedan. And honestly, why buy a compact sedan which is based on a hatchback? और after all, ये सब फीचर्स सुनने के बाद, I'm telling you, the compact sedan that my father is considering to buy is neither amazing nor desirable.
Because all the other compact sedans are adapted from hatchbacks.
Okay.
Whereas a Verito Vibe,
हाँ.
it is adapted from Verito platform,
Okay.
which is a sedan.
Alright.
Yeah. You know what? And as we all know, Verito is the most spacious car in its class.
Totally.
Yeah. क्यों बच्चू? कैसी लगी कार?
सही है बॉस. तू तो छा गया यार.
चल बेटा, अभी खिसक ले. किसी और दिन ड्राइव पे ले चलूंगा.
चल रूट. बाय गाइस.
See you.
Bye.
See you.
And you know प्रिया?
Yeah.
इसकी पिछली तीनों सीट पे हेडरेस्ट है. वो भी adjustable है.
Oh, nice.
Let me show you. See this?
Yeah.
ऐसा फीचर
हाँ.
इस क्लास की किसी भी और गाड़ी में नहीं मिलता है.
Wow, yeah. I must say, this car is very spacious and luxurious. And you know what, Abhishek, what I've been noticing a lot is the beautiful upholstery. It's so classy. It's very nice.
Yeah, and also let me show you the boot.
Sure.
It's very spacious.
Yeah.
Come. Priya,
Yeah.
see the boot space?
Wow. Look at the boot space. It's really huge, huh? Impressive. I mean, seriously, मैंने इतना बड़ा boot space किसी भी compact car में नहीं देखा है.
Exactly. Its capacity is 330 liters. I told you, that's the advantage of having a compact sedan, which is built on a sedan platform. And you know, Verito Vibe is a proper 3-box car, which has a well-defined large boot space.
Wow.
You know, ये बाकी गाड़ियों जैसी नहीं है, जिसमें बूट के नाम पे सीट के पीछे थोड़ी सी जगह दी होती है.
Actually.
इसका एक और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर है.
हाँ.
इसके ट्रंक में भी लाइट है.
Oh yeah.
You know, इसका फायदा ये होगा
हाँ.
कि अंधेरे में भी हमें सामान ढूंढने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी.
Totally. अब मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली है.
Exactly.
Lovely interiors, yeah, Abhishek.
You like it?
Lovely, yes.
See the dashboard. It has a quadro tone finish. See that?
Wow, it's so nice, yeah. Lovely.
Yeah.
And look at this chrome accent. Beautiful, huh? Lovely
Absolutely.
design. और ये जो म्यूजिक सिस्टम है, does it play MP3 CDs also?
It does, but सिर्फ MP3 CDs ही नहीं. देखो इसमें USB पोर्ट है और auxiliary पोर्ट भी है.
Oh, nice, yeah.
और उसमें 4 स्पीकर हैं, 2 आगे 2 रियर में. Full on entertainment. Yeah.
Totally.
Brilliant.
हाँ, okay. इतनी बातें करते करते घर भी लगे. Please turn on the
अभी
AC.
चला देता हूँ इसी. ये लो. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Whoa, Abhishek. Strong AC है, हाँ. Already cooling होने लग गया है.
Yeah, it's a quick cool AC.
हाँ.
पिछले रो तक यूनिफॉर्म कूलिंग है. और इतनी गर्मी में भी पीछे ठंडी रहती है.
Wow, yeah. Great, Abhishek. Seriously, I really love this car. I mean, just look at the design, यार.
Yeah.
Talking about this beautiful shelf, कितनी multi-purpose है. और अब मेरा मोबाइल कभी यहाँ से गिरेगा भी नहीं.
सही बात है.
Lovely, यार. I just love the interiors. For example, look at this handle. कितना sturdy है और अच्छा डिजाइन है. And these power windows, pretty convenient यार. कितना आसानी से roll down हो रहा है.
Yeah, see. चारों डोर्स पे पावर विंडोज हैं.
Oh, nice यार. And Abhishek, ये जो outer rear view मेरा है, ये manually operate होता है क्या?
No. That's controlled electrically. See, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. See this? I press the button.
Oh,
it goes
nice.
left. I press the button. It goes right.
Wow,
See,
hassle free, huh? Total.
Exactly. Very
nice,
easy.
nice. Really like it, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice car.
Oh, Priya, I'll show you another interesting feature. You see that orange box?
Yeah.
That's the driver information system,
Okay.
which shows the average fuel consumption,
हाँ.
average speed, distance to empty जैसी सारी information display होती है. It's really a driver-friendly car.
Totally, yeah. Very convenient.
Exactly. और ये नहीं, इसकी rear wind screen पे defogger भी है.
Oh, nice.
Exactly. फॉग और मिस्टी कंडीशन में हमेशा क्लियर दिखता है. और पीछे का ट्रैफिक देखने में भी हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है.
Wow, yeah. That's a very nice thing. Very helpful.
Exactly. Brilliant feature यार.
Totally.
Yeah.
Nice. So, Mr. Abhishek, I hope your car has a diesel engine.
Yes, madam. It is a diesel car. But you know what? इसका engine कोई मामूली नहीं है. It's a Renault का 1.5 DCI diesel engine.
Wow.
Yeah.
अच्छा, DT कितनी है?
क्या?
What यार? Mileage of course और क्या?
20.8 kilometers to a liter.
20.8 kilometers to a liter.
Yeah.
That's impressive, huh?
Exactly. You know what? 3 साल तक या 1 लाख किलोमीटर तक. Of course, whatever condition comes first. Vehito Vibe is covered under Mahindra warranty.
Oh.
Yeah, so no tension on maintenance cost.
Wow यार, that's a total steal. मतलब complete savings है यार.
It's a total peace of mind. And you know, all over India में 900 से भी ज़्यादा customer touch points हैं Mahindra के.
Wow. You know, now I get it, Abhishek. They always say we are with you, Hamesha.
See, I told you.
Now I understand.
You know what, Priya?
हाँ.
Vehito Vibe is such a safe car.
अच्छा?
Yeah, इसकी driver seat के आगे airbag है. And you know what, Priya? Vehito Vibe में ABS है, EBD है,
Okay.
और उसकी दोनों sides पे side impact beams हैं.
Wow.
Isn't it superb?
It is superb. Pretty safe.
One more thing, इसकी rear seats के पीछे cross member bars भी हैं.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and see, its steering is collapsible.
तो collapsible steering से क्या होता है?
I'll tell you. In case of a front impact, the steering automatically collapses.
Oh.
Yeah, so driver is safe.
That's pretty nice, yeah. It's a safe feature.
Exactly. अब ABS भी है,
हाँ.
EBD भी है.
Okay, time out. Please मुझे ABS और EBD explain करोगे?
See, ABS is anti-lock braking system,
Okay.
right? अब high speed पे suddenly brake लगाने से भी
हाँ.
wheels lock नहीं होते हैं,
Okay.
और so गाड़ी भी skid नहीं करती है. That makes the car very safe.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Nice.
And EBD, electronic brake force distribution. See, road conditions,
हाँ.
गाड़ी की स्पीड
हाँ.
और लोडिंग के हिसाब से ब्रेक फोर्स चारों व्हील्स में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाते हैं.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it helps in stabilizing the brakes.
Wow. Abhishek, I must say, you know a lot about this car, huh?
Well, it's my car.
Great.
You know, Vehito Vibe के बूट में बैक सीट के पीछे क्रॉस मेंबर बार्स लगे हैं.
Okay.
You know उसका फायदा क्या है?
क्या?
अगर बैक सीट पे कोई पैसेंजर बैठा हो और बूट में कोई सामान रखा हो
हाँ.
और सडन ब्रेक के बाद भी ना उसको कोई इंजरी नहीं होगी. Yeah, so that's the plus point of it.
Absolutely.
And one more thing, Vehito Vibe की साइड इम्पैक्ट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए साइड इम्पैक्ट बीम्स लगी हुई हैं. You know?
Oh, that's great, yeah.
See there?
Pretty safe.
इसके फ्रंट डैशबोर्ड पे भी हनीकॉम्ब स्ट्रक्चर है.
अच्छा.
और फ्रंट इम्पैक्ट इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे इट
हाँ.
हेल्प्स इन अब्सॉर्बिंग द फोर्स ऑफ इम्पैक्ट.
Okay.
और सेडान वाली लॉन्गर व्हील बेस से बेटर रोड ग्रिप मिलता है.
Okay.
इससे स्टेबिलिटी भी बेटर होती है और राइड एंड हैंडलिंग भी ज्यादा स्मूथ होता है. राइट? सो आई फील Vehito Vibe lives up to Mahindra's reputation completely. What say?
I'm just loving this driving experience, yeah. It is so much fun, yeah.
Oh, see the
Wow.
speed breaker.
Did you just notice that? Speed breaker कितनी आसानी से निकल गया है और हमें पता भी नहीं चला.
Exactly.
Wow,
it is
yeah,
so
this is
smooth.
So good. Totally.
That is what Vehito Vibe is known for. It's smooth ride and handling.
Totally.
क्या रोड पकड़ के चलती है यार, मजा आता है.
Now I can say that. Drive जो कर रही हूँ.
You know what?
हाँ.
मैं चंडीगढ़ से वापस आ रहा था.
हाँ.
So on my way back the roads were totally clear. So I thought क्यों ना इसकी speed test कर लें.
Oh.
Speed to speed थी. Like even on high speed,
Yeah.
it was totally stable.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. Don't you think it is perfect for Indian roads? हमारी Indian roads कितनी rugged रहती है. This car is just so good.
I totally agree with you this time.
Hey, this is so comfortable. Abhishek, look at this. कितनी smoothly car turn हो रही है. And rear view जो है बिल्कुल perfect है. It's so easy to drive and to see cars behind, and the traffic is absolutely easy to see.
Perfect drive.
Now that this car is so much fun to drive,
हाँ.
क्यों ना मैं इसे drive किया करूँ और तुम मेरे साथ बैठा करो?
अगर मैं साथ बैठूंगा तो तुम रोज चलाओ यार.
Of course, as long as I have a Vehito Vibe, I don't mind taking you out to drive.
I have you. मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We love our new sporty Vehito Vibe.
एक बार टेस्ट ड्राइव करके देखो. You will love it too.